Okay, if you've got a diesel Gladiator and you want a storage compartment under your back seat, Genesis Off-Road now makes this solid aluminum storage enclosure. This comes all one piece. It's TIG welded on the bottom for extra strength. You've got mounting points built into the bottom of the tray. If you decide to upgrade to our dual battery system, the battery brackets and the power hub will just bolt right down to this. But if you just need a storage enclosure for under the seat, buy this by itself. You'll just pull out the stock plastic enclosure if your vehicle came with it and drop this one right down in its place. It's more heavy duty, it's sturdy, you can mount other things to it like your stereo equipment, your air compressors, just drill your own holes and bolt your own equipment down. So that's the Gladiator under seat storage box. Hey, I hope that video helped you out. If it was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. That really does help us out. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below or send us an email. And remember, it all starts with power.